Alright, welcome to another Mr. Rogers screencast. Today we're going to be going over quickly how to do a mod makeover and add some photos and text instead of your standard old square photo, and how to place some of our templates. Alright, so the first thing when you open up your page, hopefully you'll need to open up our templates and styles. To do that, you go File, Open, and you need to go to 2016 Year Tech and our library, and open hopefully the one with your name on it so we can all open them at the same time. Great work, editors Joe and Abby, on doing that. Alright, I got them open here. I'm just going to pick our number 1 template, place them on there. Bam. Alright, and I can minimize this for now. And what we're going to do, thanks to the handy duty Justin's Design step-by-step mod makeover, we're going to take a standard photo box and turn it into 3 photos with some text below it, and add our nice little bar, text bar right there. Okay, so I have a similar looking page here on Monarch. Let's try and redo this one. So the first thing we need to do is we can just work with this existing box and change it to no color. And I'm going to go over here and you can change any photo box to a text box just by clicking on it. Alright, now if you look at this one, the first thing we see from the mod makeover is that we have 3 columns of text here. There's actually 6, but we're going to change it to 3. So to add columns to your box, it's Command B, or you can go up to Object, Text Frame Options. Command B is your friend. It'll allow you to do a number of things, including add columns. So we are going to add some columns, 3, and you can also do inset spacing, which we'll get to here in a second, and alignment are the big things that you'll do with text frame options. Alright, hit OK. Alright, so now we have this, and we don't want it to go all the way to the top. The text is going to be kind of at the bottom here, so we'll move those down here. And we have some nice text, alright, captions over here that we can add. So we'll do one, and then just hit return until we go up to the other one. Hit return again. There we go. Bam! Now we have 3 awesome columns in our text box frame. Now we need to add the photos and a little black box. So let's zoom in. Always when you're designing, it's good to zoom in. Alright, now we don't need photo captions down here anymore, so we can delete that one. Okay, now I have 3 photos that I've taken just screenshots off of Justin's, or that are uploaded already into my folder. If you need to know how to upload photos to your photos folder to place, I have another screencast that I just did on that. But we're going to go File, Place. Now usually I highly recommend using the Justin's photo placer, picture placer, but when you do 3 at a time like this, hopefully you have them edited correctly, and you can do a nice little create 3 boxes that'll be exactly the same size off of them. Alright, I'm going to go to Year Tech, Digital Photos, find my folder. I don't like this view, so I'm going to go List so I can find Rogers a little easier. I'm going to scroll over. Hopefully you have your photo folder in here somewhere as well. Here's my Rogers picks for photos. Alright, I'm going to pick Awesome 1, 2, and 3, Battle of the Spike. I click on the first one. They do need to be in a row. Hit Shift and then click on the last one. Let go, then hit Open. Alright, I have 3 photos in here. I'm going to start right at the top left-hand side here. Actually, I'm going to go down a little bit so that we can draw a black box in above them here. Alright, so I'm going to start doing it. Alright, oh no, it's not wide enough. So I'm going to hit my right arrow once, twice. Now I have 3 photos. Okay, now you can also look on here and see that I have a green arrow there, across there, and we're good. So that my right edge, my invisible line is lined up. We're good. I'm gonna let go. Okay, now they're in there, but they're not filling the box. So I'm gonna right click on them, go fitting, fill, frame proportionally, bam. So now I have 3 photos in there. Let's go back and look at our example. We're getting closer. 3 photos, text below it, looking good. Now we just need a black box with centered text around it. Okay, going back to our page. To make a text box, you just go T. I'm going to start in the upper left-hand corner here. Draw that down there. Got my green arrow going good. Alright, now you can see my text is up at the top and the color isn't right. So the first thing we need to do to make the box black, let's go to color, but we're on text, so I need to go to my black arrow, click on this. Now I have my inside the box color, and at my round, I just want to make the inside of the box black. Bam. Alright, now I need to go to text frame options, and when I type, I'm going to tab over once so it's not right at the edge, and then I'll go fill text. Alright, now it's black on black, that's not good. I'm going to hit Command A, and then it's on text, so I can just click on the white here. Bam. Alright, misspelled text. Okay, now you can also see on here my box. I don't like it because my text is right next to the edge of the box. Okay, to change that, click on my black arrow, and then Command B is your friend. Do that, and we're going to change the alignment to center. And we can also preview that. Look over here. Yay. Alright, I'm going to hit OK. And let's go back and see what we have here. We have a pretty good mod makeover. Now one thing that we can do, and I see here, I'm not sure about this text right next to this text. I would probably, we're going to have to work out our captions to delete this one, so that we don't have text right by text. And spread this out over here, down, move this down a little, it's over here. And then drag this down. So we don't have text right by text, because that's a major design mistake, is to have a text right by text. Okay, there's one example of an easy way to add 3 little photos and some text and a little black box instead of having all different text on there. And watch out for more design makeovers to come.